Hi, my name's Jack.Weir. I'm with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to preview a 2018 Minnie Winnie 22R. Beautiful little coach, great for the single or married customers that want to take a real nice, clean drive through the city, anywhere you want to go in this thing. It's short enough to where you can have excellent mobility anywhere. This is on the E350 Ford Triton V10 chassis. And it does have a great awning for you and great basement storage. Let's go inside and take a look at the inside. This is, again, a very small 22R, just about as small as you can get. You do still have the 3-burner cooktop, the gas oven, and the microwave. A single sink, nice wraparound dinette. You have over the cockpit sleeping with an articulated TV. You do have really nice overhead storage. Have a nice wardrobe here for your clothing. Full pull on your drawers. Lots of storage in this for a small unit. You have a full bath with shower, lav, and sink. And very nice corner bed, comfortable for 2 people. You do have a nice refrigerator also with wood tones on the outside. Good storage. This is a great unit to take a couple of days, just go out and have a lot of fun. My name again is Jack.Weir. I'm with Guaranty RV, Junction City. You can reach me at 541-654-1820 or jack.weir@guaranty.com. Thank you for your time.